You're talking to baby sister?
Yeah.
Talk to her.
I have water.
Hmm?
You have water.
You can talk to her. She's hearing you.
I love you.
Oh. It looks like I just wake up, but trust me, it's early afternoon, and there goes my battery blinking as I start talking to you guys. Let me see if I can get through the intro before it dies. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. How are you guys doing? I've been so busy from morning I haven't picked up the camera. It's about 1:30, heading towards 1:30 p.m. right now, and I'm just starting the vlog. That's because I've set out with a mission this morning, and I've tried to accomplish that. So I've been editing for all three channels, the food channel, the main channel, and Tyler's channel. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to all our platforms, please go ahead and do so. All the links are down below in the description box. Catch up and keep up with us, you guys. Yeah, today I have a bunch of stuff to do. Like I said, I set out with a mission this morning to do, and of course the battery went. So like I said, I was trying to get as much done today. So that's working. I'm actually here getting some lunch done. Tyler is off to school, baby's off to work, but today is Mardi Gras. Some place celebrating it, so babe work is closing half day, so he's actually on his way home right now. So baby will be home with me half of today. So that's good. Baby's coming home. Tyler is at school, but Tyler will be at school full day. His school, he'll celebrate carnival on Friday. We got a note that if we want him to participate and stuff. So I think Tyler will have fun at his school carnival on Friday. But yeah, I'm just here warming some leftovers and chilling with you, girl. There she is, there she is. Let me give you guys a good shot. There she is poking out. I still have to stop wearing these clothes because they seem to can't fit anymore. I mean, the stomach is just pushing out, pushing out, pushing out. I'm acting a damn fool right now. Anyway, you guys, I am going to kind of tidy my kitchen a bit while lunch is getting ready. I have my dishwasher to unpack and wait on lunch. I think I'm having the same thing for lunch today that I had yesterday, and I'm sure you guys saw what I had for lunch yesterday. Yesterday I had dumpling and banana and corned beef and cabbage, and I'm having the same thing today again because I have some left over. So that's what lunch is gonna be. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpack this washer. I have some laundry going in the machine, so those need to go to dry after. And then I have some clothes to fold and just some little stuff to do around the house. But of course I'll show you guys what I'll be doing, and of course you guys will see babe and Tyler when they both get home. I promise you guys won't be able to get tired of me, because then you'll see babe and Tyler. So don't worry, your boys are coming. Anyway, you guys, love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the beach. lunch is ready. Same thing I had yesterday, like I told you. It looked just as yummy. And I can't wait to dig in. Tell me what you guys having for lunch today. Or you want to share with me? Do you want to share with me? You want some? Some? Look at that. Oh, so good. Anyway, grub time. Baby girl shall be happy. Look. See how much is poking out through that shirt? Can't fit in my clothes anymore, y'all. Can't fit in my clothes anymore. Hello, face.
Mama.
You smell the pizza? Ah, you guys, my boys has been back home, especially babe has been home all evening,
Mama.
sleeping, chilling.
Mama.
Yes,
I want to
there he's over there,
now.
honey.
Hi guys.
That's it.
I'm
Hi.
here waiting on dinner to be there. The kids.
Tyler, what we having for? What we having for dinner? Huh? Beads, and it's in the oven and we're starving.
Mama.
And we're about to cry for the pizza because we're hungry.
Don't cry.
Why?
Because I
I have to wait?
Yeah.
Okay, I won't worry, cry. So why you are gonna cry and you told me not to cry?
Because I am sad.
Why are you sad?
Because I want the pizza.
But we have to wait for it to be ready. We have 3 more minutes to wait. We're camping out in front of the oven, you guys. Look at this. With my stomach out and all. Who is in my stomach? Baby's in my stomach?
Nobody.
What do you mean? Baby sister chilling?
No, nobody. When you start,
Baby sister in my stomach.
don't
Don't do that, Ty.
But I want to do this to somebody.
Yeah, you can rub it. You're talking to baby sister?
Yeah.
Talk to her.
Hello. I have water.
Hmm?
We have water.
You can talk to her. She's hearing you.
I love you.
Oh. Your head moving when I'm laughing.
I was about to say, is his head moving or is your laughing making head move?
I'm laughing when his head moving. You're giving baby
Look,
sister a kiss?
baby sister.
Yeah, see her.
Look. Look, Mama.
Yeah, see.
But look.
Yeah, see. You make her wet. Look how it wet up my stomach. You're hilarious.
I knew that feet and Mama.
What?
I need that feet and Mama. I need that feet and Mama.
What you say?
And Papa.
I don't hear nothing that you said.
Dobby, dobby. Dobby, dobby. Dobby, dobby.
So we want pizza.
We want pizza.
We want pizza.
We want you pizza.
We want pizza.
Oh,
It's ready. How much minutes remain?
one.
Yeah.
It's ready.
No, 1 minute have to gone and then it will be ready. When the one is gone, gotta look and see. When the one is gone, it's still there. It's still there. It's still there. We're counting down. It's still there. It's still there. And it's still there. And it's still there. Where is it? When is it gonna go? Ah!
It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's on zero. It's on zero. It's
come out of the kitchen. Go and see the pizza coming. Oh, pizza finally ready. Camping finish. We hungry. You guys, the least a little heat my body feel these days, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. So the more naked I walk, I should say naked, the less clothes I wear, the better it is. Let me show you guys pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza. You think? No, honey, it's ready. All right, you guys, this is dinner, and we are gonna grab on this goodness, cheese pizza. Man, that was a long day for the entire family. So we had pizza, went to bed, and didn't even end the vlog. So I'm just coming on to end it right now. I'm home alone editing, so you guys won't see Babe or Tyler at the moment, but I hope you guys enjoy seeing everybody throughout this vlog. Yeah, so that's where we're gonna end it for today. Hopefully you guys really enjoy today's vlog. Wasn't that long, but we give you guys what we have when we have it, creating memories all around. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to our channel, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my food channel, please go ahead and do so. The link is down below in the description box. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Tyler's channel, also go ahead and do so. Tyler's link is down below in the description box. We love you guys for always loving us, and we appreciate you all for always watching. Lots of blessings. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.